What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look, and you're going to be taking a look at it the same time I am. As you can see here, I've got two kick butt looking boxes from King's Loot. And if you're not familiar with King's Loot, I'll have a link in the show notes so you can familiarize yourself with them. They've been featured on several shows and networks, and they're based out of Colorado. So local, or not local, but if you're in Colorado, they're local, but made in USA, right? Good stuff. So, fitting the theme of the channel, tech style, this is definitely going to be a kick butt video. So, I had to leave these intact because I thought the packaging was just phenomenal, okay? King's Loot, I happen to actually be watching the Game of Thrones while rewatching it to a degree. I don't know. For some reason, I get into the fall months and the colder months, and winter's coming, and I just start wanting to watch like fantasy medieval stuff and get into that whole mindset. And I don't know, but I've been watching that. So having the King's Loot just kind of seemed to fit like my mentality and stuff going into the fall and watching some fantasy shows. And as you can see here, the King has sealed it with the wax seal. Beautiful packaging. I just had to open these with you because I just had to show you the beautiful packaging that King's Loot does along the way. So let's go ahead and pop these open, and let's get into what you will see as these wallets. Just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's such nice packaging. You can just pull this up if you wanted to get it out versus me reaching in. That's just gorgeous. Alright, so we'll keep that. And then now this one, like I said, you can just pull this. This is just phenomenal packaging here, guys. Alright, so I believe this one is the hybrid. There we go. And I believe this is the King's back. Alright, the suspense continues, as you can see here, as they're still wrapped up in tissue paper. Tell me this isn't premium. Oh, looky there. That's a beautiful wallet. Let's get this bad boy open. Now I got two different colors here, as you can tell. I've got the brown and the tan. This is the hybrid, and this is the King's back. And as you can see here, what's it made for? Looks like it's made for your iPhone, right? Kind of looks like one of those Apple wallets per se. That's what I think anyway. And you can see here, it's got a beautiful pull string, get to your card, King's Care, King's Loot, member since 20. Looks like a little fake credit card. It's pretty kick butt. And then you're going to, once you put the card back in, the strap goes back into its position. Let's go ahead, show you what it looks like on the phone itself, because got to do it justice, right? Got to put it on the back of the phone. If I can get the case off the phone. I guess I should have had the case off the phone prior to filming this. Usually doesn't give me a hard time. And there you go. A MagSafe based wallet that fits on your phone and looks beautiful. And you don't even have to take it, well, yeah, you do need to take it off. It doesn't have, let me put it back on. See if I can do this if I just push down. Yeah, so you can do it like that. Just put your thumb on it. If you just yank it out, the magnet's not strong enough. Even putting the card back in, you need to just keep a thumb on it. Like this. Pull it. Plastic. You're good to go. Shove it back in. Good to go. Just keep a thumb on it. So, the King's back. That is a beautiful, high quality leather wallet that's MagSafe. Fits on the back of your phone. Simply gorgeous. Now let's look at the next one. This is their hybrid. And again, this is in the brown color here. Got a little container here. So this here has, just look at this. This is gorgeous craftsmanship here, guys. And it's got a patina. This is just awesome. So it's got a little pocket on the front, little thumb place here, some branding, good stitching. It's got an ID card slot here, money clip, and a place for more cards. So isn't that just gorgeous? And then look at this. Just when you thought you'd seen everything, he does that. King's Loot. So it's even got a little hidden compartment to a degree with a little pull string. Is that not a hybrid? It's got everything. Everything. And like I said, let's do the smell test on it. Oh yeah. That is a super nice smelling wallet. I give it a thumbs up. That is great. Now, let me flop this over and give you a little rundown on King's Loot themselves. So if we go to their website, so you can see here it's been featured on Fox, CBS, and NBC. It's the last wallet you'll ever own. They've got some of their best sellers. The Journey. Again, they have different colors. They got black. So here's the Journey. So let's just click here and we go to wallets. You got the Hybrid, the Classic Bifold, the Traveler, the King's Back, which we've looked at, the Journey, the Her Hybrid, and the Her Journey. So we looked at the Hybrid and the King's Back here. They also have accessories. So they have the King's Sleeve, King's Clip and Sleeve, the King's Back Wallet, and King's Care. So all of that, let me just click on the Hybrid. Let's go back to wallets, Hybrid. This guy right here. So you can see, beautiful. It's got the money. It's got all the different pockets. Just absolutely gorgeous. You can pay with Apple Pay. And it's a minimalist, and it's RFID blocking. And it holds 8 to 10 cards. And then they say it looks like it doesn't, but yeah, there's a little hidden compartment there, right? And it fits right into your front pocket. So you don't have to sacrifice functionality with design and quality with a King's Loot wallet. So let's look at the features of this guy here. So it's got quick card access, pull strap, which I showed you, easy access thumb slider, which I showed you, RFID, which I didn't mention, but I'm mentioning now, genuine full grain leather, which I did mention, and replacement for life. Did you catch that? Replacement for life. This is the last wallet you'll ever own because it's got replacement for life. Lifetime replacement guarantee. How many places do that? Oh, here's the dimensions. If you want to pause this, there you go. I'm not going to read it. The money clip is adjustable for your cash needs. It is genuine full grain leather and it fits in your front pocket. Now, let's click over to the King's Back, which was the other one that I showed you. Again, it's minimalist, RFID blocking as well, and it's MagSafe. And it holds 3 to 6 cards. And it magnetically sticks to the back of your phone. Okay? It says without needing to add a magnet to your phone. That's only if you have the iPhone 12, guys. Just FYI. This isn't going to work with the iPhone 11 or anything like that. So you don't have sacrifice functionality with design with a King's Loot, King's Back wallet. And then again, let's look at the features of this guy. Quick card access with the pull strap, strong built-in magnet. It could be a little stronger for me. But everything else, same. Genuine full grain, replacement for life. And again, if you don't know what RFID blocking means, that means if your card is one of those cards that's always like NFC readable where you can go up and you can just swipe or like do this to pay, that means you can be skimmed. And what's that mean? That means somebody that's got one of those machines that can read that stuff, they can be now, I mean, there used to be where they'd almost have to bump into you, but these things have gotten so better, so much better and powerful. They can be like a foot or two away from you and steal your information from your card. These here being RFID blocking blocks that. So when your card's in here, and especially if you're traveling abroad in airports, probably the #1 places that you're going to get skimmed are like that. So protect yourself with these King's Loot wallets and block people from skimming your data from your card and stealing your information, basically, right? And some people can have their driver's license skimmed, so they can steal your identity to a degree. So not only protecting your credit cards, but protecting your identity. Some passports, have some kind of that digital footprint. Now, obviously, you can't get a passport in your wallet. I'm just giving you an example. Anyway, guys, King's Loot. This is two of their better selling wallets. The MagSafe, King's Back, and the Hybrid. Beautiful quality. These are going to be my new wallets I'm rocking. If you know me, I've done a lot of different wallet videos on the show. And I'm looking forward to adding this to the back of my iPhone and putting this in my front pocket. I'm going to rock both. I gotta say. Got it. Why not? Now I have a wallet in your pocket and quick access on the back of your phone. Sometimes I forget my wallet, but I don't forget my phone. Because if I get in my car and it doesn't sync and turn on, then I know my phone's not with me. So that's something I usually always have. So if I'm going to have this, I'll always have my card or whatever I want to throw on the back of my phone with it. Again, check the show notes for links. I'll have a link not only to their website, but to each one of these. And again, featured on NBC, Fox. These guys are for real. Check them out. If you like the video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, and as always, thanks for watching, and have a good one.